Yes.
No, ma'am.
मैम वो pelvic से कैसे जुड़ा हुआ रहता है?
Pelvic wall. Pelvic wall means inside of the uterus. Inner side the wall is present. That wall is called the pelvic wall. यानी abdominal cavity में ligament. Ligament just like a fiber. जैसे कोई धागे से आपने जोड़ दिया. वैसे ligament that स्टोमक की अंदर वॉल, स्टोमक नहीं, एब्डोमिनल की इंटरनल वॉल से जॉइन होते हैं. दैट इज कॉल्ड द पेल्विक वॉल. क्लियर? क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
और एनी डाउट? और एनी डाउट?
No. No, ma'am.
Okay. Now I am the all student are here now. Rupal, Renuka, all are here. Okay. Now we are just repeating yesterday topic. After that we will continue. आज रूपल नहीं है. रूपल को इन्फॉर्म करो भाई. रूपल को इन्फॉर्म करना, अदरवाइज प्रॉब्लम होगी. उसके फ्रेंड्स इन्फॉर्म कर दो. नाउ तब तक हम लोग कल वाला टॉपिक रिपीट कर लेते हैं. यस, लिसन मी. कल हमने व्हाट अवर टॉपिक, स्पर्म स्ट्रक्चर. हाउ मेनी पार्ट्स आर प्रेजेंट इन स्पर्म? टेल मी. How many parts are present in sperm? Tell me.
3. 4.
Wow. 4 parts. What is the name? What is the
Head,
name?
neck,
Head,
piece,
neck,
tail.
middle piece, tail.
Right. Head, neck, middle piece or tail. Up. Tell me about the head. Who is going to give answer? Head. Tell me about the head.
Ma'am, plasma membrane is present.
Plasma in all. All sperm is covered by the plasma membrane. Okay. So not only around the head.
Hydrolytic enzyme present. Hydrolytic enzyme present.
Yes.
Listen me. Hydrolytic enzyme is present in the acrosome. On upper side of the head, acrosome is present, in which hydrolytic enzyme is present. Or in a head, nucleus is present.
Single
Or
nucleus.
Condensed chromatin material.
Right, condensed. Yes. What is present in the neck? What is present in neck?
Proximal centriole.
Proximal centriole.
Proximal centriole. What is the function?
Division of zygote.
Help
First
in
division of zygote.
also. Or distal centriole function. What is the function of distal centriole?
Connect to
Many mitochondria give energy.
नहीं. Distal centriole function is it connect with axial filament. Axial filament of tail. Okay. In the middle piece, what is present?
mitochondria.
Many mitochondria.
What is the function of mitochondria?
Provide
Give
energy for
energy.
movement.
Give energy for movement of the tail. In a tail, what is present?
Axial filament.
Okay, now you learn. I think diagram also learn. Good.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Now,
Yes,
after that, what was our topic? Female reproductive part. In
Ejaculation क्या होता है?
ejaculation यानी removing of the sperm. The sperm removed from the penis, that is called the ejaculation. Okay. Now listen me. What is that? Female reproductive part में what is a primary sex organ?
Ovary.
हाँ. What is the function of ovary?
Ovary produce egg.
Ovary produce eggs. Right. The secondary sex organs are
Accessory duct, oviduct, uterus, cervix, vagina, or
Yeah, right.
accessory gland, mammary gland.
Mammary gland. Okay. Now, which shape ovary are present?
Almond shape.
Almond shape. Okay. In ovary, outside, what is present?
Ovarian follicle.
Ovarian follicle. Primary ovarian follicle. And inner side?
Stroma.
Mature follicle.
Stroma and mature follicle is present inner side. Okay. Now next, the stroma divide in the two part. What is the name?
cortex और medulla.
Connective
cortex and medulla. Okay, or inner side में connective tissue is also present, blood cells are also present. Now we will come in near the ovary, the fallopian tube, funnel shape structure. What is the name?
Infundibulum.
fimbriae.
Fimbriae. The finger-like projection arise, that is called the fimbriae. What is the function of that?
Collect egg.
Egg.
Closer to the ovary during ovulation and collect
Okay,
egg.
after the wider portion of the fallopian tube, what is the name?
Ampulla.
Ampulla.
Last is
Isthmus.
isthmus. Connect with uterus. Uterus is muscular bag, also called the womb. Okay. Up uterus के lower portion को what is the name? What is the name of lower portion? Cervix. Cervix open in cervical canal.
Cervix canal.
Okay. Uterus is surrounded by the 3 layers. What are that?
Perimetrium, myometrium or endometrium.
Endometrium.
Perimetrium, myometrium or endometrium. Okay, what is the function of perimetrium?
Protective
Give
layer.
protection.
What is the function of myometrium?
Contraction and relaxation during birth.
Okay. What is the function of endometrium?
Cyclic changes, menstrual cycle वगैरह.
During the menstrual cycle. Okay, now. After that, today topic I am taking, what is that? Mammary gland. That is a accessory glands. You know the mammary gland, in human being, pair of mammary gland is present. Pair of mammary gland present. Mammary gland is made up of the 2 type of tissue. One is called the glandular tissue. Second is called the fat. One is called glandular tissue. Second is a fat. Now next point. In glandular tissue, 15 to 20 lobes are present. In glandular tissue, 15 to 20 lobes are present. That is called the mammary lobes. What is the name? Mammary lobes. In mammary lobes. In glandular tissue, 15 to 20 mammary lobes are present. Now next, in each mammary lobe, cluster of cells are present. Cluster of cell present in mammary lobe. What is the name of cluster of cell? Alveoli. What is the name? Alveoli. Now, alveoli, what is the function of alveoli? Alveoli secrete milk. Next point, alveoli secrete the milk. Milk released by the milk tubule. What is the name of that? Yani alveoli secrete the milk. That milk is released. That milk is come in the mammary tubules. Okay. Mammary tubule is open in the mammary duct. Mammary tubule is open in the mammary duct, and mammary duct is open in the mammary ampulla. What is that? Mammary ampulla. And the mammary ampulla open in lactiferous tubule, by which milk suck out. Mammary ampulla open is lactiferous tubule by which milk suck out. Any doubt, you can ask me question. Mammary gland completed. Any doubt, you can ask.
वापस बता दे ट्यूब्यूल के बाद.
Listen, I am just repeating all. Listen me. In female, in a female, pair of mammary glands are present. Mammary gland is made up of the 2 tissue. First tissue is called glandular tissue and second is called the fat. In glandular tissue, the 15 to 20 mammary lobes are present. 15 to 20 mammary lobes. In mammary lobes, cluster of cells are present. Cluster of cells are called the alveoli. Okay. Now next, alveoli produce the milk. Alveoli release milk in the alveoli release milk in the mammary duct. Mammary tubule में. Mammary tubule open in the mammary duct. Mammary duct open in the mammary ampulla. Mammary ampulla open in lactiferous duct. Lactiferous, by the lactiferous duct, milk sucked out. Okay. Now I am taking female reproductive part, yani female reproductive process. You know about that. Oogenesis. That is the process of formation of the egg. What is the oogenesis? Process of formation of the egg is called the oogenesis. What is the oogenesis? Process of formation of egg is called oogenesis. Up again listen. Oogenesis is also complete in the total 3 phases are there. What are that? 3 phases. First of all, I am taking multiplication phase. What is that? Multiplication phase. Now listen me. In multiplication phase, what happen? When fetus is female, the formation of oogonia start when fetus is female in both ovary during embryonic development. Again, I am repeating. During embryonic development, when fetus is female, in both ovary, millions of oogonia are formed. What is formed? Million of oogonia. Now the question is arise.
मैम इसका मतलब समझ में नहीं आया.
हाँ, तो just I am explaining now. Millions of oogonia are formed. What is the meaning of oogonia? Oogonia yani egg mother cell. What is that? Egg mother cell means when mother, if the baby is present inside the mother womb in uterus, the baby development start. Ovary is also formed if baby is female. Two ovary is formed. In both ovary during the embryonic development inside the mother body, many millions of oogonia cells are formed. After the birth of baby, no oogonia is formed. Now clear? Now clear?
मैं repeat एक बार वापस.
Listen me. When during embryonic development, when fetus is female in mother uterus, in fetus both ovary, millions of egg mother cell formed called oogonia. After the baby birth, no oogonia is formed. Clear? This is
मैम
the
fetus की ओवरी में.
हाँ, fetus की ओवरी में. Yes, baby की ओवरी. Fetus मतलब जो new baby is developed in the mother body. On that time the oogonia is formed. After the baby birth, female baby birth, no oogonia is formed. Clear? Now listen me. After the formation of oogonia, oogonia are divided by prophase first meiosis division. By which division? Prophase first meiosis division. By the prophase first meiosis division, the cells are formed that is called primary oocyte. What is the name? Primary oocyte. Now, primary oocyte, they all are come in the primary oocytes are millions from the puberty to from the birth to puberty. From the birth to puberty, you know about the puberty, age after which sex organ start function. What is the puberty? Age after which sex organ start function, that is called the puberty. So after birth to puberty, many follicle. Ab listen me one more thing. Primary oocytes are formed, you know. Ab around the primary oocyte, some granulosa cells are collect around the primary oocytes, and that is called the primary follicle. Granulosa cell collect around the primary oocyte. This is called the primary follicle. And millions of many primary follicles are.
मैम repeat करना एक बार.
Listen me. You know, oogonia cells are divided by meiosis prophase first incomplete division, formed primary oocyte. Primary oocyte surrounded by granulosa cell. Now it is called primary follicle. Listen me. Still baby inside the mother womb. Up after the baby birth. From birth to puberty. You know about the puberty? Age after which sex organ start the function. Many primary follicle damage. Many primary follicles are destroyed. Only 60,000 to 80,000 primary follicles are left in girl baby. Only 60 to 80,000 primary follicles are left in a female in a female. Okay. Now listen. Second phase is start. That is called the growth phase. In growth phase, what happened? Around, yes, yes. Speak loudly.
बार ग्रुप से निकाल रहा है.
बार बार ग्रुप से आपको निकाल रहा है. Who is that? नाम पता लगा लो, फिर उसके बाद, क्योंकि वो भी सोच रहा है मैं भी कर सकते हैं, अपन उसको निकाल देंगे. किसको निकाला आपको? टेल मी नेम.
मैम हर्षित.
हर्षित, मैं अब पापा से बात करूंगी प्लीज. या हर्षित को निकाला. हर्षित, हर्षित लिसन मी. बेटा, आप में से किसी ने अगर हर्षित को निकाला तो फिर देखना, जैसे ही मुझे नाम पता लगा ना, नाम पता लग जाता है, ये बात ध्यान रखना. ओके, सो दैट क्रिएट प्रॉब्लम फॉर यू. यस, नो वन विल डू. कोई हरकत नहीं करेगा, कोई किसी को निकालेगा. क्लियर? नाउ लिसन. नेक्स्ट आ जाती हूँ मैं टॉपिक ग्रोथ फेज. यू नो प्राइमरी फॉलिकल्स आर फॉर्म्ड इन द मल्टीप्लिकेशन फेज. अब नाउ व्हाट हैपन? Primary follicle surrounded by more granulosa cell. More granulosa cell. Primary follicles are surrounded. Okay, and that is called the secondary follicles. What is formed? Secondary follicles are formed. More granulosa cells is there. This is called the secondary follicle. Okay. Now next phase पे आ जाते हैं. That is the maturation phase. In maturation phase, what happened? Secondary follicles are surrounded by more granulosa cell, and the new cell is formed that is called the tertiary follicle. Secondary follicle surrounded by more granulosa cell, tertiary follicle is formed. How can we identify tertiary follicle? By the antrum. I will explain after explaining first time. After that, with the diagram, I will explain. So first listen carefully, again I will repeat. Secondary follicle change into the tertiary follicle. Tertiary follicle we can identify with the help of the antrum, in which the cavity is present, that is called the antrum. Okay, in tertiary follicle, you know primary oocyte present. That primary oocyte completes first meiotic division. First meiotic division complete by the primary oocyte. And what is formed? Secondary oocyte. Larger secondary oocyte and smaller first polar body. What is formed? Larger secondary oocyte and smaller first polar body is formed. After that, tertiary follicle again mature, surrounded, again mature and change into the Graafian follicle. What is that? Graafian follicle. Graafian follicle mature and rupture. Egg is free. That is called the ooted. In egg, this egg is called the ooted, in which one more division takes place before the fertilization. What is the name of the egg? Free from the Graafian follicle, that is called the ooted. Clear? And the egg is free from the ovary, that process is called the ovulation. And Graafian follicle change into the carpus luteum. What is the name? Carpus luteum. And what is the function of carpus luteum? Carpus luteum secrete hormone for pregnancy, for maintaining pregnancy. That hormone is called the progesterone hormone. That hormone is called progesterone hormone. When fertilization does not take place, on that time, carpus luteum degenerate and menstruation processes take place. Okay. Now, with the help of the diagram, I am going to repeat these all. Yes. Again. Yes, beta. Paper is visible, I think. Yes, backside camera is on. Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now the whole process I am going to explain again. Okay, listen me. First of all, I am taking, you know, in a female, during the embryonic development, when fetus is female.
कि ईयरफोन की वायर आ रही है मैम.
आ रही है, मैं हटाती हूँ. Okay. When listen me now. When fetus is again I am repeating, during embryonic development, when fetus is female, during embryonic development, when fetus is female, developed in mother uterus, on that time millions of oogonia formed in both ovary. What is a oogonia? Egg mother cell. What is a oogonia? Egg mother cell. After birth, no oogonia is. After birth, no oogonia is. Okay, listen me. After the formation of oogonia, what happened? Oogonia divide by first incomplete prophase first meiotic division. This is a multiplication phase. What is that? Multiplication phase divide by prophase first meiotic division. What is that? Prophase first meiotic division. So what is formed? Primary oocyte is formed. What is formed?
हर्षित
Primary
कैमरा बंद कर अपना.
oocyte. Primary oocyte is formed. Okay.
कैमरा
With
बंद
the
करना.
blood. हर्षित कैमरा बंद करो. Okay. Primary oocyte is formed. Clear? Up primary oocytes, after the formation of primary oocyte, multiplication phase complete. And after that, we will come in the growth phase. In growth phase, what happened? Primary oocyte surrounded by the granulosa cell. And what is formed? Primary follicle. Primary oocyte surrounded by granulosa cell. And what is formed? Primary follicle in growth phase. And